There's something epic about the logging industry. The sheer size and power of the machines they use to harvest trees are impressive. Today, we're going to take a closer look at some of the most incredible machines used in the logging industry. Watch the video to the end, and I'll take you through the amazing world of heavy equipment. The feller buncher is the first machine used in the logging process. It's a powerful machine that uses a large cutting head to fell trees quickly and efficiently. The skidder is a heavy-duty vehicle used to drag logs from the forest to a central location. It's often used in rugged terrain where trucks cannot access. The forwarder is a machine used to transport logs from the forest to a processing facility. It has a crane-like arm that can pick up logs and place them on the machine, reducing the need for manual labor. The harvester is a machine used to cut and process trees into logs in one go. It can process large amounts of wood in a short amount of time, making it a valuable asset in the logging industry. The processor is used to process logs into lumber. It can debark, cut, and sort logs based on size and quality, making it a valuable addition to any logging operation. The Delimber is used to remove the limbs from trees before processing them. It's often used in conjunction with other machines, such as the harvester or processor. The chipper is used to chip up wood waste and other materials into small pieces. It's often used in sawmills and paper mills to create wood chips for pulp and paper products. The Debarker is used to remove the bark from logs before processing them. It's often used in sawmills to prepare logs for processing into lumber. The log loader is a powerful machine used to load logs onto trucks or into processing facilities. It's often used in conjunction with other machines, such as the skidder or forwarder. And finally, the tower yarder is used to move logs from steep slopes and rugged terrain to processing facilities. It's often used in remote areas where other machines cannot access. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the incredible machines used in this industry. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which machine impressed you the most. On our channel, you will find many videos about incredible machines and impressive heavy equipment, so subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.